Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. If you like these videos and want more, be sure to subscribe. We're here to share content that's simple and useful. Let's get started.
If your Spectrum email isn't working, you're experiencing a common issue. Many users are facing problems accessing their old Spectrum email accounts. The primary reason is that Spectrum is actively phasing out its email service. They are no longer offering new email accounts to customers. For existing users, Spectrum is encouraging a transition away from their email platform. This means your email account might have been deactivated, migrated, or simply stopped functioning as expected. You may have received notices from Spectrum about this change, guiding you to switch to a different email provider. First, if you still believe your account should be active, check your internet connection. Ensure your device is online and working properly. Next, verify your email client settings. Incorrect POP or IMAP server details are a frequent cause of connection failures. Double-check your username and password for any typos. Sometimes, a password sync issue can occur. Try logging directly into the Spectrum webmail portal if it still exists for your account. If you can access it there, the problem is with your email application's configuration. Clear your browser's cache and cookies if using webmail, or try a different browser. However, the most definitive solution for ongoing Spectrum email issues is to fully migrate to a new, independent email service. Providers like Gmail, Outlook, or ProtonMail offer robust and reliable email solutions that are not tied to your internet service provider. Spectrum's move away from email is a permanent change, making a switch to a new provider the most secure and future-proof step.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.